Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yuka here. Today I'd like to make Pikachu bento. Yes, now Pokemon is popular all over the world, and I've liked Pikachu since I was a child. I think it's the most favorite characters in Pokemon, but it is my first time to cook Pokemon Pikachu bento, so I hope it's gonna be successful. Yes, so let's have a look. And if you like this video, please give me some comments, likes, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Also, if you have some requests to make some bento, Japanese cooking, or where I go in Tokyo, please give me your opinions or comments as well. Let's have a look. Now we are going to make Pikachu's face. Pikachu's face is omelette. So around Pikachu face, let's make something fancy. So first, using chikua and also cucumber, we are going to make some flowers. Next, we are going to make Japanese carrot dish because carrots is very orange, brightful color. So it makes Pikachu's face very prettier, I think. Now it's the most fun part, making a bento. Yes, let's put everything into the box and it's gonna be very fast-bodied. Let's have a look.